Rachel from Merrick Makings, and I'm back for day 5 of the Create With Us. Come create with us with Tracy Bish. It's a launch party, of so to speak. And today we are using With You in Mind. We are featuring this great stamp set. Lots of fabulous sentiments in this one, and we are using a couple of sketches. If you haven't seen our latest videos for the past few days, please pop back over on the channel. Start at day 1, work your way through, and make sure you jump over to Tracy's lives as well. So this is a bit of a showcase of products that are available currently in our new mini catalogue and the celebration. Now this particular one, I'm making a birthday card, and I am using the sketch on its side. So these sketches are fantastic to kickstart your creativity. Now you can see my little tip there for using these big sentiments. I'm only stamping one of the words, and I did use a post-it note to cover the word happy up for this, and of course I'm going to stamp that on a separate piece of cardstock, which I'd already done, so it coordinates in that respect. Now this fabulous set of stamps also has these cute little icons. I have used the colours here, let me see if I can get it right, Pretty in Pink, and I'm going to say Shy Shamrock, I think, with this one. So yes, it is. And I'm using they're both in colours, and I am using the matching DSP as my background for this as well. So you'll see me doing a little bit of hand cutting here, some fussy cutting. I'm making little black patty pans, I suppose you would call them, the cake part, and the icing part is the matching coordinating in colour ink as well. So a very simple card today, using the side. Like I said, I've turned the sketch on its side. I'm just going to pop it all together. Now I am also using the Pretty in Pink ribbon. It again coordinates really well. I did grab, when the in colours came out, I grabbed it because the Pretty in Pink colour was probably my favourite. So it's a great one to have in your stash. Very versatile. This particular one, I am following exactly pretty much what is in the sketch, and I'm using it behind that panel that I've got my sentiment on. If you have not already been, like I said, over to Tracy's YouTube, please pop over there and check out her videos. She's been doing lives this week showcasing exactly the same products but using slightly different sketches. The sketches we have found have been a really great help for us in prompting our creativity in creating all of these projects for you. And for me, I've said it in my other videos, tags were not something that really I created a lot in the past, but this was a lot of fun. Creating a couple of tags, and I'll probably create a few more after this as well. I have created a couple of other bonus projects, I guess you could say, using these same sketches but a slightly different stamp set. That's how great the sketches are. So I really encourage you to check those out in the catalogue. Now the other catalogues, I think the past 2 or 3 catalogues have also had sketches in them, so make sure you search for those and use them when you need a little bit of a prompt to help you out in what you should put on your card. So keeping it really simple. My tag, I have decided I am going to do a bit of background stamping, or a bit of stamping. So I'm starting off with a white cardstock, and I am using Summer Splash and Pretty in Pink. I'm not putting any dimensions in these videos. Now, normally my videos would have dimensions, but this collaboration series of videos, I've decided not to put those in. Happy if somebody would like the actual measurements, but really I didn't measure anything. I just eyeballed a lot of things, and that's what I encourage you to do, particularly using the sketches. You can kind of get hung up sometimes on getting it right, or getting it the right size, and I think that you lose your creativity and spontaneity when you are creating, if that's what you choose to do. So you can see I'm here doing generational stamping. So first and second generational, using a piece of scrap cardstock just to stamp off on for that second generational. And I'm using the little leaf element. So like I said, we have a cupcake, we have a star, a heart, a leaf, and I think it's a flower that's in that stamp set, and it has those 4 fabulous matching sentiments as well: birthday, best wishes, thank you, and a thinking of you, which is great. So I have used the Spotlight Nature dies as well to create the little circle element, which I'm going to use to anchor my sentiment on. The one thing I would suggest if you are a beginner card maker, stamper, is to have this tear and tape or a double-sided tape and dimensional dots in your stash. Now, dimensional dots, Stampin' Up, provide you 2 different sizes. I mainly use the larger size, however sometimes I do use the mini dots as well. I have already stamped out my sentiment and hand cut it just to make this video go a little bit faster, and so you're not sitting there and watching me do the cutting itself. Didn't want to bore you. So the other thing I guess I should mention around the dimensional dots is to make sure you use the outside pieces, cut them up, and use those in like putting on strips and things. Now the final thing for the tag, of course, is the little ribbon, and this ribbon is called, let me see if I can find it, and I can't. It's a white ribbon with a silver edge. I can't find the name of it. However, it's a great one, and if you can grab anything like this at any time, you can use your blender pens to colour them in just to coordinate and match your project. And this is pretty much the tag finished. Thank you so much for joining me, everybody. Like I've said, this is day 5 of our collaboration. Please make sure you jump over to Tracy's channel as well. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and to Tracy so that you get all the latest updates. Make sure you share it with your friends as well. And if you need to order anything in Australia, contact one of us. This has been a lot of fun. I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye-bye.